And beta, we are going to start with exercise 9.7 now. So, beta, we have to do only first 6 questions from this exercise. This exercise, beta, is based on two formulas. First is a plus b the whole cube. In the previous video, we were discussing a plus b the whole square. Now, in place of square, we have got cube. So, a plus b the whole cube, beta, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket start a plus b. We have to learn the formulas thoroughly before we start with the exercise. And similarly, a minus b the whole cube, that is equal to beta a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Clear? Now first of all, beta, I will take up the first sum of question number 1, which is 5x minus 7y the whole cube. Right? In 5x minus 7y the whole cube, beta, I will see to it whether I will be using the first or the second. Now because there is a minus sign here, that means I will be using my second identity. So first of all, I will write using identity. A minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket start a minus b. Now let us put the value, beta. 5x minus 7y the whole cube, that will be equal to 5x the cube minus 7y the cube minus 3 multiplied by 5x multiplied by 7y. Where, beta? Bracket start 5x minus 7y. So see, beta, what I get? I get 5x the cube. 5 the cube, 5 multiplied 3 times. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3, that is equal to 125. X cube. Similarly, 7 sevens are 49. 49 into again 7 is equal to 343 y cube. Now what do you get here is 5 threes are 15. 15 sevens are 105 xy bracket start 5x minus 7y. Now what do you get, beta? 125 y cube minus 343 y cube minus 105 into 5, that is equal to 525. X into x becomes x square and y. Minus and minus when multiplied will become plus, beta. 105 into 7 का multiply कर दो, that is equal to 735 x and y square. Clear, beta? इसी तरीके ना बेटा सी सेकंड पार्ट लगाएंगे. The second part of the sum is 2x plus 3y the whole cube. On beta, as you can see, we are getting the plus sign and minus sign. We have plus sign, so it is a plus b the whole cube. So this is equal to beta a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket start a plus b. हाँ जी बेटा, हम values put करिए. 2x plus 3y the whole cube. In place of a असी 2x put करांगे और in place of b असी 3y put करांगे. So this will be 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube plus 3 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 3y bracket start 2x plus 3y. So what do you get? 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27. Clear? 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18 xy bracket start 2x plus 3y. So beta, what do you get? 8x cube plus 27y cube, ठीक है, plus 18 2s are 36, x into x becomes x square y plus 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 18 3s are 54 x y square. So in this way, beta, we can solve the sum. If it is a positive identity, we will use the formula a plus b. If the negative sign comes, then we will be using a minus b, the whole cube formula. And beta, now we have to find the value of 105 the whole cube. So in the previous exercise also, we broke up this number into two parts, made it a binomial and then did the calculation. Again 105, we will break it up as 100 plus 5 the whole cube. ठीक है बेटा? ये जो 100 plus 5 the whole cube है, this is resembling the formula a plus b the whole cube. So accordingly you can write the formula and you can solve it. A cube, that will be equal to 100 cube. B cube, that will be equal to 5 cube. 3 multiplied by a, which is 100, b is 5, bracket start 100 plus 5. Now we have to do the calculation. 100 the cube. So you will have 6 zeros with plus 5 the cube which is equal to 125 plus 3 5s are 15 into 100 which is equal to 1500 and this becomes 105. ठीक है, और बेटा 105 में से 15 ना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वी हैव अगर इनको ऐड कर दिए फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स में 1000125 फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स का सम दिया आ गया साडे को प्लस इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करो बेटा डबल जीरोस पीछे लगा लो 15 5s are 75 7 carry 15 0 0 7 15 1s are 15 157500. now you can add it up beta add करो 5 and 0 will give you 5 2 and 0 will give you 2 1 and 5 will give you 6 7 and 0 that will give you 7 5 and 0 that will give you 5 1 and 0 will give you 1 1. so this is your answer. ठीक है बेटा, बिल्कुल इसी तरीके ना सेकंड पार्ट ਵਿੱਚ बेटा ਸਾਨੂੰ 99 ਦਾ ਕਿਊਬ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ 99 ਦੇ ਕਿਊਬ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ it will be 100 minus 1 the whole cube. so this will be giving me a second identity a minus b the whole cube. so second identity ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ बेटा it will be 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 bracket start 100 minus 1. so what do you get beta 100 cube you will have again 6 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 cube which is 1 and here you have got 300 multiplied by 100 minus 1 which is equal to 99. so देखिए जो minus 1 कर दोगे बेटा इसे क्या आ जाएगा 9 9 9 9 9 and 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 see 1 2 3 4 we had 6 zeros and 1 7 and here that equals 6 9s आएंगे ये तुसी बेटा 1 चो माइनस करके कर लिया हुन तुसी अगली कैलकुलेशन देखो माइनस 2 zeros आ गए बेटा 9 3s are 27 9 3s are 27 and 2 29 हुन तुसी बेटा इनको माइनस करना है देखो डिजिट बाय डिजिट सबट्रैक्शन करो लास्ट नंबर चो लास्ट नंबर माइनस करो 9 चो 0 क्या आ गया 9 अगेन 9 minus 0 is equal to 9 9 minus 7 which is equal to 2 x तक बेटा you have done the calculation. Now again 9 minus 9 is equal to 0 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 so again two numbers again done and last 9 left which you will write here so 970299 this is your answer बेटा this is another way of doing the calculation थोड़ी जी calculations अपनी ध्यान ना digit by digit ध्यान ना करनी okay हाँ जी बेटा simplify. Now beta we have to simplify a minus 3b the whole cube and a plus 3b the whole cube. So we are getting both the formulas in a single term. ठीक है, इको एक्सप्रेशन ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ both the formulas यूज करने हैं. सब तो पहला सी a minus b the whole cube ਦੇ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇ ਨੂੰ यूज करेंगे. a minus b the whole cube ਨੂੰ you use this identity and solve it. The first term will be a cube. ठीक है, minus b ਦੀ जगह पे बेटा 3b the whole cube आ जाएगा. minus 3 multiplied by a multiplied by 3b bracket start a minus 3b. ठीक है बेटा, this is the expression for the a minus 3b the whole cube. Again there is a plus sign and now we will use the second one. So a plus 3b the whole cube that will be equal to a cube plus 3b the whole cube. ठीक है, plus 3 multiplied by a multiplied by 3b bracket start a plus 3b. Now beta we have to simplify it. Okay, for simplification see we have got a cube minus 3 cube that is equal to 27b cube minus 3 3s are 9ab bracket start a minus 3b plus we have got a cube plus 27b cube plus 3 3s are 9ab bracket start a plus 3b. Step number 4. We have got a cube minus 27b cube minus when you multiply this you get 9a square b 9ab into a minus and minus will give you plus 9 3s are 27 ab square plus a cube plus 27b cube plus 9a square b plus 27ab square. Now we will see which terms get cancelled. Beta 27b cube negative and 27b cube positive they get cancelled. Again minus 9a square b and plus 9a square b gets cancelled. So let us see what we are left with. we are left with a cube and a cube. 2 times, so we will write it as 2a cube. Then beta we are left with 27 is ab square and 27 ab square. So 20 by 7 plus 27 is 54 ab square. So this is your final answer because you have simplified it. So question number 5, I am given that x plus y is equal to 3, x into y is equal to minus 18 and I have to find the value of x cube plus y cube. Beta x cube plus y cube is a cube plus b cube, right? So it is part of my identity a plus b the whole cube. Okay? So if I start with this one, x plus y is equal to 3 and I do the cubing of both sides. Okay? As I was doing the squaring, we will be cubing both sides. So I will write it as x plus y the whole cube is equal to this side I will have the cube of 3 cube. Now beta this is a plus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket start a plus b and this is equal to 3 cube which is equal to 27. ठीक है? ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ देखो बेटा x cube plus y cube ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ. So you will leave it as it is, x cube plus y cube plus 3 multiplied by xy. बेटा xy की वैल्यू ਉਹਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ -18 given और x plus y ਉਹਦੀ ਵੈल्यू ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ 3 is equal to 27. So x plus y ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ 3 और x into y की जगह थे -18 पुट कर देता. So we have x cube plus y cube, 3 3s are 9, ठीक है, plus minus minus 18 multiplied by 9 is equal to 162 is equal to 27. Now this minus 162 will go on that side and get added with 27. So your final answer will be beta x cube plus y cube will be 27 plus 162 and that will give you 981. So x cube plus y cube that will be equal to 189. Is it clear? Hope you have understood.